In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome Auto Sign-In Guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. After the menu opens, move down the list and select Settings. When you click Settings, Chrome will open the Settings page. Next, focus on the left sidebar. In that sidebar, click You and Google. Once you are in the You and Google section, look for the option labeled Sync and Google Services. Click on Sync and Google Services to open the page with more detailed settings. Now take a moment to scroll down through the page. You are looking for the section called Other Google Services. As you move down, keep an eye out for the heading because the setting we need is located under that area. Under Other Google Services, find the option labeled Allow Chrome Sign-In. When this setting is turned on, signing into a Google service can also connect that account to Chrome. When it is turned off, Chrome will no longer automatically sign in at the browser level in the same way. To turn off Chrome Auto Sign-In, click the toggle next to Allow Chrome Sign-In so that it switches off. The toggle should change position, and it may also change color depending on your Chrome theme and version. Once it is off, the setting has been changed. That covers everything you need to know.